Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Ambire wallet application on your iOS device. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first thing to do is to open your app store. Inside the search box, type in Ambire and search. Look for this application from Ambire Tech Limited and tap on the Get button to start downloading the application. Wait until the app is downloaded on your iOS device, which will take a few minutes. Ambire Wallet is a versatile, non-custodial DeFi wallet which has several features, advantages, and potential drawbacks. It comes up with user-friendly account creation, seamless gas management, built-in app's access, NFT storage, and much more. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open and get started with the wallet. So that's how easily you can download Ambire Wallet application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.